it's Esme and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be our week in quarantine and self-distancing and all the projects we finally got down around our house. Because oh my goodness, you guys, if you're anything like us, you have a ton of projects that you're like, I'm gonna get to that, I'm gonna get to that, and then you just never do. So what a better time to get to all those projects than right now when we can't really be leaving our homes. We tackled all these projects, and I mean, it's the end of the week and I feel so happy walking around the house seeing all these projects finally done. So I really hope this video brings you some inspiration to finally tackle all those things, keep yourself busy. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here is the look at the before. See, at first glance, it doesn't look that bad until you get to this side. Oh my gosh, there's a lot happening here. There's a lot of things that need to get organized, find a place, and you know, let's not even get talking with the shoe situation, the counter situation. And since now we're gonna be at home for at least 30 days for sure and have to do our workouts from here, we figure, you know what, it's a great time to get our house organized, get projects done. And the first one is organizing and cleaning the garage and then pulling out all those weeds. So let's get started. Is looking anything like ours, it can be kind of overwhelming to see so much stuff all over the place. So what we did is we actually took the biggest items out onto the driveway, like the giant grill, the compressor, you know, a little kiddie pool, just giant pieces that we didn't really know exactly what we want to organize yet, but we had to get out of the way to start cleaning. We just put it all over the driveway, and we started this giant pile in the middle of everything that was trash and recycling. Anything that was meant to actually go inside or kind of had a place for it, of course, was taken to the place right away to not create any further messes. We are officially done cleaning up and organizing the garage, and it feels so good. It's a little bit of, I guess, organized chaos, but let's take a little tour. So this is the organized chaos part, because it looks like there's just a bunch of crap there, but it's not a bunch of crap. It's all organized in boxes for donations and yard sales.
Give this back to
yeah, this needs to go back to her brother-in-law. We have our grill over here. Those cabinets are there because eventually we want to hang this up in our laundry room, but I'm sure we'll get to it within the next 30 days. We organize all our chairs back there. Gatsby's little kiddie pool. This, you guys, is about to be a DIY project. So if you want to see me DIY this and paint it and make it look brand new, don't forget to give this video a huge like, and hopefully that will be up soon. We have some random picture frames that I still don't have a place for inside of the house, so they're just here, along with more stuff over there, wedding stuff, some organized Christmas stuff, camping stuff, and just extra storage bins, more wedding stuff. And then this is the part where we made huge progress. We threw tons of little scraps away. We were able to get everything really nicely organized in here. Like, everything is labeled, well, kind of labeled from where everything's supposed to be. Frankie got his tools organized. We got the paint organized. We have our spare fridge. We got the shoe situation organized. And I was really happy that all of our gym bags fit really nicely down here, because since we're not gonna be at the gym, you know, this can just get tucked away there for now. Of course, we have extra supplies, Frankie's shoe rack, and all this stuff is like skinny stuff we were able to just put up against the wall to not take up a lot of space. And then a little gardening area.
And this is the chore that we were both absolutely dreading. It took us hours, you guys, just to pull this little section of weeds out. Yes, a little section, because we still had the entire backyard, the entire other side of the front yard, and I mean, even our phone died out here recording, just doing this section. So yeah, we pulled weeds for days. And now moving on inside, you guys, and this is a project that, oh my goodness, I cannot believe we have been putting off for over a year. I mean, I have my reasons for taking too long to decide to paint. Obviously, this hallway is very dark. You get no natural windows, so picking a color took me forever. And then once I finally picked a color, well, it just kept getting procrastinated. So what better time than now to tackle this terribly colored hallway? As you guys can see, there is 3 different shades of white. The walls are one color, the ceiling's one color, the doors are a different color, and it was time to finally get it all nice and cleaned up. Frames and the doors, and oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot even express how excited I was to finally have the crisp white doors. Now, I know I probably should have made my life a whole lot easier by taking the doors off the hinges, but honestly, I didn't want to wait for Frankie to get home. I wanted to get this done already, so I painted them on there, and you know, it worked totally fine. But I will admit, I only painted the side that's to the hallway and not the side to the rooms, so that'll be a future project. And if you're going to be painting your doors as well, make sure you get the self-leveling paint and the extra smoothing rollers to make your project a lot easier. I'll link things that I use down below. And here is the after, and oh my goodness, it looks amazing. It's so different, so fresh, and so clean and bright looking. I absolutely love it. No, we didn't get to the ceiling, but that'll be a project for next week. I'm sure we'll definitely have time. For now, I'll take at least finishing the hallway. It's the little victories, right? Sadly, our gyms are closed, but look, we have a doodle and he definitely has been helping us get our workouts in. And I mean, look at this. How adorable is he about to look in 3, 2, 1. Look at that, you guys. Even he got in on the burpees. Comment down below if that's the cutest thing ever. Look at him. Now, I know we look totally crazy here, but this was a game we had to do for our gym. Do a plank with the heaviest object you could find, and for us, that was a cornhole game. And of freaking course, Frankie scored. This is just one of the many ways we're trying to keep ourselves having fun with our at-home workouts. And if you guys want to see more at-home workout ideas, comment down below and I'll definitely film one.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I really hope you found some inspiration out of this video. I know times are really crazy right now, and you know, the best thing we can all do for ourselves, for the world, is to just stay home. And since we're going to be home anyways, might as well tackle some projects that you and I both know you've been putting off for a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what project are you going to try to tackle this week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!